Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn numbers. Kids class name red color, yellow color, green color, black color, yellow color, blue color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first you draw 1. The numbers of 1. O-N-E 1. And use red color. Kids again use red color and draw 2. T-W-O 2. The numbers of 2. Kids now you do 3. The numbers of 3 and use yellow color T-H-R-W 3. Kids now you do 4. The numbers of 4 F-O-U-R 4. Kids now you do 5. The numbers of 5 and use green color F-I-V-E 5. Kids now 6. The numbers of 6 S-I-X 6. And again use green color. Kids now 7. The numbers of 7 and use black color S-E-V-E and 7. The numbers of 7. Kids now 8. The numbers of 8 E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids now 9. The numbers of 9 and use yellow ochre color N-I-N-E 9. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 10. The numbers of 10 T-E and 10. And again use yellow ochre color. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use blue color. Kids now 12. The numbers of 12 and again use blue color. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.